Okay, this is Dennis. I'm back. A lot going on. I'll tell you about it as we go. But I had completed this red side for Leon's tender, and it's just about a half a millimeter longer. But as you can see, it fits in the side pieces perfectly. It's stiffer and a little thinner and stiffer. It's odd, but and then the lid uses the magnets to sit down, as you may recall. And we have now completed this assembly with all of the bits that it needs: soundboard, speaker, reverse and forward and reverse controller, and a cooling fan. Okay. A cooling fan for the part that gets hot, which in our test did quite well. So this is ready, and I'm going to be sending this along with the engine, which is over here, minus the body, and it will have the DC fields, and it will have a conventional smoke system. But it will have the temperature controlled smoke controller and a firebox that is for the this model, the K5. I will be printing this. I just took off the red and I just put on the black, and we're going through a calibration, and then we're going to be printing the side frame. I've been very busy. My wife has broken her foot 4 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, she went in for surgery. It's a really bad break. It's called the Liz Frank joint is destroyed. Ligaments and tendons were all ripped, so they're fusing 4 or 5 bones in her upper arch, and a broken bone in the next to little toe was repaired, and she's got stitches and swelling. And after 2 weeks we went back, and he says the bones are in perfect place. Now let the fusion take place, which takes 4 months. No walking, no weight, and you have to do everything that she did for at least 4 months, maybe more. And we go back every 2 weeks, I think, or 4 weeks, I forget, for checkups. But in any case, I have been out of commission for 4 weeks, and I know. Today I'm not sneaking down, she's taking a nap. And she knows where I am, and she has my phone number. So I'm just downstairs. She just yells, I come running. So I'm going to try to get this printed today. I don't know if I can. It's going to take an hour to get one, and I have 2 hours. So maybe I can get the other side printed, and I'll be ready to go to mail this engine assembly to Leon for further testing, and then he can send me videos, and I'll show you how it's going for him. While that's printing, I'm going to set up the second part. But the next thing I want to try to get working on a little bit is the MiniMill. I was able to get the ball bearings in both ends of this axis, and they work really nice. I did not get the ball bearings into the y-axis. I want to do that. We already had ball bearings and massive strength for the vertical. See? So I want to get these two axes fitted up together, right? Good, done. And then go to the go to the controller and run a test and set up to mill the groove and do a test on wood. I won't get this done today, I'm positive, but this is what my plan is. This is my next project after I get Leon's engine done, as I get time. Then the third project I want to get back to is this remote control handheld remote control for the DNC. DNC, I've been watching too much TV. Whatever it is, motion controller, digital motion controller. And get that going. So those are my 3 projects. They're still the same 3. It's been a month. I haven't done spit. I haven't been down here other than to get supplies. So I'm going to this thing's going to take off here in a few minutes. It's moving in position, fairly slow, you can see that. And I'll get back to you when I have parts and when I've got something to show you or something done. I just wanted to let you know everything's fine. Well, not, but we're okay. We're doing better, and we will do better as we go. And I'll show you how this looks with the proper length part in the proper color. And I will try to show you the MiniMill later, gang.